ITSM, or IT Service Management, refers to the entirety of activities involved in planning, designing, delivering, operating, and controlling IT services. Let's log in and discover how you can use Celonis to improve your ITSM process. The ITSM process shown here is part of an exemplary large medium-sized company. Let's call them EXP Systems. The volume of sales per year is around $1 billion, and the company has about 2,000 employees. Smart Celonis algorithms uncover the real process in the raw system data. There is no need for lengthy interviews or reality assessment projects. Just push a button. But let's move on and find out what Celonis really is about. We now see the Process Explorer, one of the core functionalities. The Process Explorer shows different activities which are part of the ITSM process. Currently, you can see the most common process variant with all its activities. This leads to the total amount of cases. There are 83,000 incidents in total, but only 49% are currently shown. We can dynamically change to the next most common process variant by clicking here and see how the percentage increases to 56%. To keep track of all different paths, Celonis also provides the opportunity to highlight each process flow by clicking the play button. Let's take a look at the Process Explorer. We see 5,500 cases in which the process loops around the service desk. It seems incidents are constantly forwarded from first to second service desk employees. If we assume that each incident loop takes about 40 minutes to open, clarify, and solve, this quickly adds up to almost 220,000 minutes, or 153 days of wasted time. But let's dig deeper into EXP Systems data, increase the coverage, and see what else we can find out. In 661 cases, the service management is contacted before the service desk. Almost all of these incidents are then forwarded to the service desk, an unnecessary detour that makes the process inefficient. The service desk should have been the first point of contact. EXP Systems would like to know the impact of this problem on the process as a whole. No problem. Let's click on the top left icon to switch to the throughput time and see how much time each step takes. But how much time is lost overall? Solving incidents via service management instead of the service desk takes at least 7 days, and sometimes another 6 days if the incident needs to be forwarded to the service desk. Process weaknesses hide in small details, but with the Process Explorer, you can see all of them at once. Just increase the percentage of cases to 100%, and you will see how your actual processes look like. The full view reveals all inefficiencies and the complexity in your as-is processes, where you lose time, money, margin, and customer satisfaction. We discovered several process inefficiencies and weaknesses. So, what's next? Let's move on to a second worksheet. You can click on a specific type of case and, for example, see the different processes of all of EXP Systems' ITSM cases in a single month. What's more, it is possible to combine different filters like a specific company and a specific time span. If we sort the table on the right by solution time, we get detailed information about which categories have the greatest impact on the overall process completion time. By adding the category as a filter, we can not only see the process flow, but also the throughput time. For example, the subcategory renting reveals that in 183 cases, the service desk caused a delay of 10 days. We could also add a location filter and further analyze details and their relations. EXP Systems Management could now start from here and further analyze problems in the process. For drill downs, it is possible to switch to the Cases table and check all information in the source data set at any time. Would you like to dig even deeper into ITSM or analyze a whole different process? Celonis offers a large and unmatched selection of ready-to-use analysis to make your processes much faster and explore topics like process automation, changes made to orders, unnecessary rework, and interruptions. Nearly every answer to questions about your company's processes is hidden in your data. Celonis is the key to visualize, understand, improve, and monitor them in real time and end-to-end. Let's change the way you run your processes forever.